Which one here?
Yeah, shop in it. And he's up in the factory.
Oh. Oh, which ferry entrance right here? Oh, probably. Here, right?
There you go, already painted. So what do you got back? What you got back? Alis ang gusto sa Hawaii.
Sorry. Saturday 100, you hold on 40 on top. Just back. Nice back. Beef.
Alam mo ba? Dapat.
400 half from 700. Now 500. This one.
There you go.
Courage, but let me freeze it. You don't want it?
Yeah, no problem.
On two. Thank you.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Realize Diana Home Traditional Chinese Recipes. So today we're doing some boiling. And look at what we're gonna boil today. You won't believe. So there it is. This is what we're boiling, guys. Some katahar seed. When last you had some of that? Boiled katahar seed. So that's what we're gonna boil today. We picked this up at the market, the Lenora market. So first we're gonna wash this out. So this is really good, guys. When you boil it with some salt. Nice. This was long ago. This was a popular snack. So katahar, as you know, is also called bread nut, right? So these are the bread nut seeds. Alright guys, so this here is, you have to get the ripe seeds for from the katahar in order to boil it. You usually use the ripe katahar seeds. So our water is heating up here. Actually it's ready, it's boiling. Okay, we're gonna add the katahar seeds here now, guys. Add salt to taste right away. Now you just let it boil. So here's our katahar seed. It's finished boiling now. It's been boiling for about 45 minutes, 45 minutes. So we're gonna strain this out and show you what it looks like if you've never seen this before. So you would usually leave this in the water and just take from there, you know, and let it cool off and peel it and have it. So guys, here we have the katahar seed. So I'm gonna peel it, show you if you never tried it before. Really yummy. So this one, so they're usually very hot because of the shell, the thick shell that it has, so you have to let it cool properly. And you see this one split here a bit. So sometimes when you go to peel it like this, it will break in half. But yeah, just peel it here, and under this shell here you have a thin skin, a thin membrane, which you also have to peel away. And I'm trying to break this one so it doesn't peel this one so it doesn't break while I'm doing so. Yeah, so as I said, this is from the ripe Katahar. Only the ripe Katahar seeds will boil this way, and it's really tasty. All you have to do is add some salt and boil it. But once it cools off a bit, this is still a bit hot. You won't have that problem. It's gonna come off easily. And that's the skin I'm telling you about here. Membrane. What is, I know it's probably saying it's a lot of work, but it's not always like this. Like, it comes off easily once it cools off, and it's not this sticky. So yeah, but it's worth it. It has a creamy texture and it's very tasty. You have a little thing there, and there you go. Yeah, very creamy and nice. And the salt has that touch of taste to it. Very nice. Long ago, traditional Guyanese snacks. Right? We used to do this a lot when we were little. I can remember my parents doing this. You get the ripe ones in the market that the people would probably throw away, and you get the seeds and you boil it like this. So that's it there, guys. Another traditional Guyanese recipe here on Reliance Guyana. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Share the video also. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.